Hello students, I Zahir Abbas. Welcome to my YouTube channel Feel Real Chemistry with Jay sir. Today we will study the topic carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is the example of polyhalogen compounds. Carbon tetrachloride is the example of polyhalogen compounds. In polyhalogen compounds, we know that those halogen compounds in which four or more than four halogen atoms are present, known as polyhalogen compounds. Here we see in carbon tetrachloride, the formula of carbon tetrachloride is CCl4. Here four chlorine atoms are present, so we can say that it is the example of carbon. It is the example of polyhalogen alkanes or polyhalogen compounds. Carbon tetrachloride formula CCl4 and IUPAC name is tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. Similarly to chloroform, trichloromethane, because the formula of chloroform CaCl3. Next, methods of synthesis. Methods of synthesis. CCl4 को किस टाइप से सिंथेसाइज किया जा सकता है, कैसे बनाया जा सकता है, इसके लिए मेथड ऑफ सिंथेसिस और केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ CCl4 ऑलमोस्ट वी स्टडी इन अर्लियर क्लासेस. फर्स्ट इज बाय क्लोरीनेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. बाय क्लोरीनेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. क्लोरोफॉर्म का क्लोरीनेशन करवाना है. क्लोरीनेशन मीन्स रिएक्शन विद Cl2 and addition of Cl in the place of hydrogen. CaCl3 chloroform react with Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. Then chlorination reaction takes place. Chlorine add and replacement of hydrogen takes place. Product is CCl4 and byproduct is HCl. Second method, bichlorination of methane. Bichlorination of methane. When methane react with excess chlorine in the presence of sunlight, it means if four molecules are used, then all four hydrogens are replaced by chlorine and product formed is CCl4 plus HCl. It is the example of chlorination. Next, chemical reaction of CCl4. Chemical reaction of CCl4. First reaction is reduction. We know that in reduction reaction, addition of hydrogen takes place. This reaction complete in the presence of reducing agent. So when CCl4 reduced in the presence of Fe plus H2, reduced in the presence of Fe plus H2O, two hydrogens are used. Addition of hydrogen takes place in the place of chlorine. Then the product is CaCl3 plus HCl. So we can say that on reduction of CCl4, chloroform is formed. Second, vapor hydrolysis. Vapor hydrolysis. Word hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means reaction with water. Reaction with water. Vapor hydrolysis का मतलब है यहाँ जो water है वो vapor form में लिया गया है. Vapor form में. तो क्या लिखेंगे अपन? When carbon tetrachloride means CCl4 react with vapor water at 773 Kelvin. 773 Kelvin. Then a poisonous gas phosgene is formed. Phosgene, we know that COCl2, phosgene COCl2 plus 2HCl. CCl4 की वेपर हाइड्रोलाइसिस जब अपन 773 केल्विन पे करवाते हैं तो ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाता है, उसका phosgene बनती है poisonous gas COCl2. Third, reaction with HF hydrogen fluoride. When CCl4 or carbon tetrachloride react with hydrogen fluoride in the presence of HDCl5 catalyst, then freons are formed. Freons, we studied the topic freon in earlier classes. Freons, chlorofluoroderivative of methane and ethane. CCl4 react with HF. Here two molecules are used. Then the two chlorines replaced by fluorine and formed product is CCl2F2 plus byproduct 2HCl. If we used one molecule of HF, then the formed product is CCl3F. CCl2F2 is from Name of fuel is freon-A12. 2 fluorines and 1 for hydrogen. Next, fourth reaction with 1,2-dichloromethane. 1,2-dichloroethene. Sorry. Reaction with 1,2-dichloroethene. Reaction with 1,2-dichloroethene. तो 1,2-dichloroethene का फॉर्मूला बनाते हैं. एथ मींस 2 कार्बन. तो कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड कार्बन. 1,2-dichloro means 2 chlorines are attached with both carbon. One here and one here. Cl and Cl. In used for double bond. So double bond. Complete the valence of carbon. One hydrogen here and one hydrogen here. It is the formula of 1,2-dichloroethene. 1,2-dichloroethene. React with CCl4. CCl4, we can write CCl4 as Cl single bond CCl. In this reaction, bond breaking takes place from between the chlorine and carbon. Negative charge on chlorine due to more negativity and positive charge on carbon. Here, this alkene is the example of symmetric alkene. So addition of CCl4 takes place in both condition. Bond migrate to this carbon or this carbon. If alkene is asymmetric, then addition of CCl4 takes place by Markovnikov rule. But is this symmetric? So bond dissociate or migrate both sides. Suppose that ये बॉन्ड है वो इस तरफ डीलोकलाइज हो गया, माइग्रेट हो गया, तो इस पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा, इस पे क्या आ जाएगा, पॉजिटिव. इस नेगेटिव के साथ आप पॉजिटिव स्पीशीज ऐड करवा देंगे, वो पॉजिटिव के साथ क्या करवा देंगे, नेगेटिव स्पीशीज ऐड करवाएंगे. तो क्लोरीन का क्लोरीन रहेगा, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH है, CH पे कैसा चार्ज है, नेगेटिव चार्ज, तो नेगेटिव के साथ चार्ज के साथ आप CCl3 ऐड करवा देंगे. नेक्स्ट में सिंगल बॉन्ड CH Cl और ये Cl पहले से था, ये कार्बन में पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, उसके साथ नेगेटिव चार्ज ऐड करवा दिया अपन ने. आईयूपीएसी नेम लिखेंगे तो इस टाइप से आपको चेन बनानी पड़ेगी. चेन 3 कार्बन सी. Here 3 substituents, so numbering can be done from this carbon 1 2 3. 1 पे 3 क्लोर, आईयूपीएसी नेम 1 1 1. फिर 2 3 3 3. Same groups are 6. Then hexa word is used for Cl, chloro, for 3 carbon, propane. IUPAC name of this product is 1112233 hexachloro-propane. Commercial name of CCl4 is pyrene. CCl4 also known as pyrene. CCl4 causes liver cancer. CCl4 के कारण से liver cancer हो सकता है. Uses of CCl4. तो CCl4 used as a normal solvent के फॉर्म में काम में ले सकते हैं. It is used as fire extinguisher. ये आग बुझाने के लिए काम में ले सकते हैं. Remover of spots. घरों में जो दाग धब्बे होते हैं उसको हटाने के लिए अपन CCl4 को काम में ले सकते हैं. Thank you students.